You know who it is, everybody. I'm back once again with another hair tutorial. Today I'm showing you how you can kind of refresh your style if you have box braids by turning them into faux locks. Now before we get started, I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder that if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss any future videos. I not only do hair tutorials, but I do vlogs, I do lifestyle, I do product reviews, all that kind of stuff. I am also currently 39 weeks pregnant, so there will be a lot of mommy and baby stuff coming up very soon. Alright, so if you saw my last hair tutorial where I gave tips and tricks on doing your own box braids, I was using Outre, and once again I am using Outre hair. This time I am using their Twisted Up Waterway Fro Twist. This is 22 inches. At this point, I've only had my box braids for about 2 weeks, so they're really not that bad, but they are starting to frizz a little. But if you are further along with your box braids, like let's say maybe 4 weeks, 6 weeks, this is a perfect tutorial to help you guys refresh your style without having to start completely from scratch. So first of all, if you've had your braids for a while, then you probably need to wash them. I didn't wash mine. Like I said, it had only been 2 weeks. My scalp really wasn't that dirty. I don't put a lot of product on my hair when I do box braids, so I'm pretty good with the way my hair is. But if you do want to wash your hair, I do recommend using something like this. This is Cantu's Apple Cider Vinegar Root Rinse. I love this stuff. It has your scalp feeling so good, and it does a great job of breaking up that buildup on your scalp. It has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens or mineral oil, and it's a great detox for your scalp to get it nice and clean for this next hairstyle. Also, if you feel you need to, you can use whatever product that you initially use for your box braids to kind of smooth out your roots. I didn't do that because, for one, I pulled these roots extra tight, so I didn't need it. But also, I wanted my style to look a little more natural, so I was cool if, you know, there's a little frizz in my roots. I actually prefer my styles to grow out a little bit and have more of that natural look. So I didn't add any gel or any other product to my hair for this style. All right, so get into the tutorial. Here's how my box braids are looking after about 2 weeks. They're not that loose because they're still somewhat fresh. This first step is optional depending on how loose your braids are. So all I'm doing is inserting my crochet hook. I'm going to put the end of the braid in that hook, close it and pull it through. And all this is doing is tightening the braid so that your parts are more crisp. Now I'm taking the hair for the locks and I'm just separating it. I'm going to insert my hook once again into the root of that braid on the side. And I'm going to pull that hair through. And you just need a short amount pulled through there. And then I'm going to begin wrapping. And I decided I wanted to do kind of a butterfly lock look, so you'll see that I'm adding some loops here and there. And I do that just by putting my finger in the way of the hair and wrapping the hair around my finger. And then I wrap over the loop and under the loop, and I just continue wrapping all the way down. And once I get to the end, I'm just gonna start wrapping the hair upward. And you'll notice my braids have these natural ends, and I'm just gonna let that hang out. And that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. Once again, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss a thing. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, peace.